Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain isometric introduction to the isometric drawings, how to set up all of the settings in the Autocad. First go into the Autocad software, open the new file, and first go on to the Autocad. This is the interface, and go into the new, and you can observe one of the dialog box and select the files of type, select the drawing template. You can observe on the below first, and select the ACAD, and select the open with no template metric. I'm selecting it has two types, inches and millimeters. You can observe the imperial and metric. I'm selecting the open with no template metric as per my requirement. As your wish, you can give the any of the units as your wish, inches, millimeters or centimeters, etc. What you want to draw in the Autocad drawing. Next, this is the interface, and you want to go on to the units. You can observe the units, you can observe the millimeters, and you want to change the drawing units, drawing degrees and the precision, and some of the types of the length and angles. You can change the text of the angle sizes. You can by using the clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. You can observe the insection scale and units to scale. You want to change this millimeters to centimeters, you can change and click on OK. This is the first setting, and I will explain the isometric introduction, and let's get started. And after that, you can observe the all of the interface of the Autocad, how to change the rectangle snap to the isometric snap in this tutorial. And go into the O snap and command, and you under the dialog box will appears, and go into the snap and grid. You can observe the snap type on the bottom, and the grid snap is there, and it check mark is rectangle snap, and check this mark to isometric snap and select that, and all are remains like that only. Don't change any of the grid wise spacing of measure line, everything same as like this. And you can observe the snap and grid, and on the polar tracking, and the object snap will on F3 F4, and all of the dynamic inputs, all of the settings already explained previous tutorials, and click on OK. You can observe that the cursor is changes. It is the one of the plus symbol. You can observe on the before. See the drawing cursor is changed. You can observe the isoplane left, right and top by using the F5 functional key. You can draw the any of the object by changing the directions of the object. You can observe the what is the present plane you are there. You can observe on the below. You can observe the F5 functional key. You are in isoplane right, present. Before you are in isoplane top, like this you will show observe this, and go to the object snap settings again. You can observe the snap and grid. These are the actual settings of before developing any of the Autocad drawing. And go on to the options on that file. You can observe the OP enter also. This is the command. You can appear at the options dialog box. In this, the files display open save, and go on to the drafting and check this marks are all are in check or not. Once check the auto snap settings, and the drawing windows colors are 2D, more model space is required, and select the 2D automatic before continue the drawing, and close this. You want to any apply, you want to apply, and auto snap marker size is like this, and the aperture size you want to change the tooltip appearance same as like this. Once check the all of the settings are ignore hatch objects like this, and click on apply and click on OK. The settings all are created. This is the basic settings for the isometric drawing. For to develop before the isometric drawing, isometric snap is required. Simply go on to snap on and select the isometric snap, and click on apply and click on OK. The drafting settings will all are created. Then you can observe by using the functional F5 key, and by using the line operation. I'm drawing the one of the object like this. You can observe the line without any of the dimensions. I'm giving the all of the as over my view. I'm giving the functional key. It is how the directions are changing. For the explanation purpose, I'm giving the not giving any of the dimensions. You can observe like this. You can develop any of the model. I will show the With dimensions I will explain with the next tutorial, introduction to the isometric drawings, how to develop the top view, front view, side view, and all of the views, how to develop by using this, and how to develop the 3D modeling object in the isometric space. Watch my next tutorials also, and you can observe the one of the drawing like this. You want to develop any of the isometric drawing, this is the actual process I am developing by using the by using the line operation. There's different types of dimensions text will appear. So you want to change the rotations angles also possible by using the sum of the commands. I will explain with the next tutorial for the isometric drawing. And this is the one of the model is created. You can observe this is the isometric view by using the functional F5 key, and by using the line operations I create the some of the model. This is the isometric as compared to the 3D modeling and the basic 3D modeling and isometric snap. You can what is the difference between, if you want to rotate the object, the 3D modeling space is not observed on the isometric. It is the paper space. It is like a paper. On the paper plane you can draw the simple isometric 3D model view. Only the front option you can observe the 3D model. On the back and the side views you can does not appears the 3D modeling. You want to develop the 3D modeling object, go into the 3D modeling. I will explain some of the tutorials for the 3D modeling. You want to select the rotate object by using the rotate command. I am rotating C. I will show you how it looks like, and you can observe this is not a 3D model. On the only the paper space you can observe the 3D object. Few rotation of the all of the angles you want to require, the object is not possible in the isometric drawing as compared to the 3D and the isometric. This is the brief introduction to the isometric settings. You can observe on the coordinate system. I am repeating the all of the back and left. You can observe the it is the simply it is a line. It is not a 3D object. You can observe by using the rotating and pivot I am using. You can observe the model. You can also rotate this in model space also. It is look like this only, and the layout also it is same as like that. You can observe by rotation. It is not. It is a simply the lines are there. This is the model to develop in the isometric. The isometric settings you want to create by using the O snap settings is required before the prepare the isometric drawings.